Want to maximize your PT score? The secret lies in focusing on the most high scoring questions. In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 high scoring PT question types and give you expert tips on how to ace each one. Watch till the end for a bonus strategy that can instantly boost your score. Before we dive into the tips, here are the PT question types that contribute the most to your overall score. Mastering this will guarantee a higher score. Number 1. Read aloud. Number 2. Repeat sentence. Number 3. Summarize written text. Number 4. Reading and writing filling the blanks. Number 5. Summarize spoken text. Number 6. Highlight incorrect words. And number 7. Write from dictation. Now, let's go step by step and see how to crack each one of them. Starting with number 1. Read aloud. This question affects both speaking and reading scores, making it one of the most valuable question type. And here are some expert tips. Number 1. Use proper intonation. Rise and fall naturally as if you are reading for an audience. Number 2. Pause at punctuation. Take a natural pause at commas and full stops. Number 3. Maintain a steady pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Number 4. Avoid self-correction. If you make a mistake, keep going. Number 2. Repeat sentence. This question directly tests your listening and memory skills. And here are some expert tips. Number 1. Focus on the rhythm. Listen carefully to how the sentence is spoken. Number 2. Use the chunking technique. Break it into 2 to 3 parts in your mind. Number 3. Repeat immediately. Don't wait too long or you'll forget details. Number 4. Speak confidently. Even if you miss a word, keep the fluency intact. Number 3. Summarize the written text. This question requires both comprehension and writing precision. And here are some expert tips. Number 1. Write in one sentence between 30 to 40 words. Number 2. Cover the main idea and avoid unnecessary details. Number 3. Use linking words like because, which, therefore to connect ideas smoothly. Number 4. Check for grammar and punctuation. Incorrect structure can reduce marks. Number 4. Reading and writing filling the blanks. This question significantly impacts reading and writing scores. And here are some expert tips. Number 1. Look for collocations. Words that naturally go together. Example: strong, commitment, key factor. Number 2. Read the entire sentence before selecting a word. Don't guess too quickly. Number 3. Check grammar and meaning. Make sure the word fits both the structure and context. Number 4. Use the elimination technique. Remove incorrect options to find the best fit. Number 5, that is summarize spoken text. This question tests both listening skills and concise writing ability. And expert tips are: number 1. Take structured notes. That means jot down key ideas, not every word. Number 2. Identify the main point. Focus on who, what, when, where, and why. Number 3. Write a concise summary in 50 to 70 words covering all essential details. Number 4. Use correct grammar. That means simple, well-structured sentences score higher. Number 6. Highlight incorrect words. This question affects both listening and reading, and accuracy is crucial. Here are some expert tips. Number 1. Read and listen at the same time. Your eyes should follow the text while your ears catch the audio. Number 2. Click immediately when you hear a wrong word. Hesitation can cost you. Number 3. Stay focused. Background noise or distraction can affect your performance. Number 4. Practice active listening. Train your brain to catch small differences in words. Number 7. Write from dictation. This is one of the highest scoring questions in listening, and here are some expert tips. Number 1. Type as you listen. Don't rely on memory alone. Number 2. Use abbreviations or shorthand first, then expand before submitting. Number 3. Check for grammar errors. Small mistakes in spelling or punctuation can lower your score. 4th. Don't leave blanks. If unsure, make an educated guess. And here's my bonus tip. Focus on improving your listening skills daily. PT is all about quick comprehension. So, train your ears with podcasts, news clips, and English conversations. The better you're listening, the higher your score. If you found this tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out more expert PT practice at Gurully. See you in the next video.